Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of resetting the TP-Link CPE610 Outdoor CPE back to its factory settings. This quick and straightforward reset can help resolve connectivity issues or regain access if you've forgotten your login credentials. Let's dive in. Before we begin, resetting the CPE610 will erase all custom settings, including network configurations and passwords. You might need to reset the device if you're experiencing network problems, or if you need to set it up from scratch. To reset the TP-Link CPE610, first, locate the reset button on the device. You'll usually find it near the Ethernet ports at the bottom of the unit. Ensure the CPE610 is powered on before you proceed with the reset process. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button using a paperclip or similar tool for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the LED lights blinking, which indicates the device is resetting. Once the lights stabilize, the CPE610 will have been restored to its factory settings. After the reset is complete, you'll need to log back into the TP-Link web interface to reconfigure your device. Connect the CPE610 to your computer using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter the default IP address 192.168.0.254. Use the default login credentials, both the username and password will be admin. With the CPE610 now reset, you can begin reconfiguring the device according to your network's requirements. Adjust the wireless settings, choose the appropriate operation mode, and set up your security preferences, just as you did during the initial setup process. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team of experts is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support by calling 323-471-3045. Drop a comment below if you have any further questions. And that's it. You've successfully reset your TP-Link CPE610 and are ready to set it up again. If this video helped you, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.